Prosthetics. Digital prosthetics, full ceramic veneers and crowns. After determining the symmetric points, the application will automatically rotate the picture so that the line between them is perfectly horizontal and will then position the facial axes, the incisal edge, and the guiding lines. All these marks can be set manually depending on the case to render the needed information for an accurate design. After the automatic determination of the axes and of the incisal edge, the display of the guiding lines should be deactivated. The position of the axes and of the incisal edge will be adjusted to be in permanent harmony with the facial features. The calibration will follow the gingival margin, the midline papilla, and the unmodified teeth, and will be done by repositioning and side adjusting the image of the mouth cropped from the portrait photo of the patient. By transferring the axes and the incisal edge determined in the portrait photo of the patient to the 3D application, the user will get a quick, accurate, and reliable guidance for the design. After all adjustments are made, the G-Design application should be locked. This way, the software interface will close, and the axes and the incisal edge will remain superimposed in the current software. With the information provided by G-Design, designing of the teeth will be done quicker and in a simpler manner with a certainty of a correct result. Checkup. The application can also help check the results and their accuracy. Digital prosthetics, in lab, guiding the zirconia frame. The symmetrical features of the face automatically detected by the application are the eyes or the pupils in more than 80% of the cases. After detecting them, the software calculates the facial information required for the aesthetical design of the front teeth, the facial axes, and the incisal edge. In this case, the facial information will help design the zirconia frame following aesthetical principles, calculating the symmetrical incisal spaces required for the further application of the ceramic layers. The checkup is another very important use of this application. Transferring the axes to the plaster cast. You can capture the portrait photo and the existing information by pressing Print Screen. The image can be sent via email or any other method to the laboratory or to fellow dentists. The transfer of the axes onto the plaster cast following the information offered by the transfer lines. Checkup of the temporary restoration of the diagnostic wax-up against the horizontal axis. The checkup is another very important use of this application. Orthodontics, Invisalign. G-Design can also be used to verify the orthodontic layout in relation to the facial axes. surgery. Following aesthetical principles, G-Design is the ideal instrument in guiding a gingivectomy. Checkup. The application can also help check the results and their accuracy.